The rotary encoder. Why it has a clock pin? A rotary encoder's clock pin, that means CLK pin, is one of the two signal pins analog with the data, that is represented as DT pin, used to determine the direction and the number of steps of rotation. It does not act as a timekeeping clock but as the main pulse output with the DT pin, providing the necessary phase shift to interpret the direction. How the clock pin work with the DT pin, that means the data pin. A mechanical rotary encoder uses a rotating disc with evenly spaced slot or a pattern of conductive pads. As the shaft turns, a common electrical contact touches two signal pins, that is clock and data pin, creating a electrical pulses. The key to detecting direction is that the clock and the data signal pins are physically offset so that their electrical pulses are 90° out of phase. A connected microcontroller reads the state of both the clock and data pins by monitoring which pin states changes first. The leading or lagging signal the microcontroller can determine if the shaft is turning clockwise or the anti-clockwise.